Hey guys, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So today is a awesome day because I just got a phone call saying that I have another antique booth. I am so excited. So I thought, maybe I should show you where I put all that stuff that I find at the estate sales, the thrift stores, the flea markets, the antique shops. So I'm going to show you where I put that stuff. So I'm doing this on my phone. So let's see how this works out. Here we go. Down off the deck. The bees are very happy. Alrighty, here we go. Now, remember, I have at least 6 shows per year. I have 1 booth and another one now, so a total of 2. It takes a lot of inventory. Are you guys ready? Okay, now remember now, I told you I had a lot of stuff. A lot. There's times that I've gone to estate sales that I didn't even show you everything that I had purchased. And the nice thing about it is, I'm going to take the furniture from this front and start my new booth. Overlook the trash. You know you got to put that stuff somewhere. I have a little bit of everything here. That right there. That is a corn sheller. I have 3 of them. If anybody needs any, I'll make a good deal. And I absolutely love this mantle. Look at all that chippy goodness. Ugh. So much stuff, but it is it's organized chaos. There's Hoosier, there's tables, suitcases. I can't count how many smalls. I know. But having this second booth is going to be great. Okay, so let me get a different angle here. Oh, look. You see that? Oh, I got that at the antique store. At Antiques on 231. They have the best stuff. Matter of fact, September the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, that is Labor Day weekend, they're having their open house. It starts on a Thursday from 12 to 7, Friday 10 to 5, Saturday, 10 to 5, and Sunday, 1 to 5. So, Antiques on 231 here in Lebanon, Tennessee. And it is off Interstate 40. Alrighty, so I want to put that, take that other piece of glass out and put it over my mantle. I just have to move a little stuff to get back into there. Let me walk back in here. I mean, I've got picture frames galore, chairs, baskets, furniture. I can't tell you how much stuff is in here. Believe it or not, that's a birthing chair. We're going to do a project with that chair. I pulled that little chair. It's a little rocker out of the dump. So we're going to do a cute little project with that. Alrighty. Let's see if I can back out again. I even have stuff stuffed underneath my steps. A sled that's full of blue jars. Primitive totes. Glassware. There is so much stuff out here. I found that table on the side of the road and it swivels. There's an old toolbox, which would make a great desk because it flips up. I've been going through all the fall, getting ready for Oktoberfest here in Lebanon, Tennessee at Wilson Bank and Trust. I'll put the dates for Antiques on 231 and Oktoberfest. Yep, there's that big bag of polyfill. I probably should take that in. Dishes. Kitchen stuff. Amber bottles. Picture frames. And I mean, yes, there is a lot. I wanted to see if I could incorporate those amber bottles, but I mean, those glass bottle jars I am collecting for a project that I want to do for Christmas. Alrighty, guys. It's not a very long video, but if you've seen one garage that has a bunch of stuff in it, you've seen another. Oh, and I want to try to take these horses, I got those at a yard sale, to the booth. And if I don't swing you around too fast, I've got old cribs. There's a hall tree right there that will be going to Antiques on 231. That little piece of concrete right there is going to go. So, guys, if you get a chance and you are close by, or if you just want to take a little day trip or stay in Lebanon for a night, this little antique shop, it looks small from outside, but believe you me, it is 6,000 square feet of goodness. Alrighty, well, it's time for me to get back to work. I got so much sewing to do. Getting ready for Antiques on 231, their fall open house, and Oktoberfest. So I thought I'd make this little video so you can kind of see where all this stuff goes. There is one estate sale that I want to go to this weekend, but I'm waiting on the half price day because it was so good. I think I could have bought the whole household. It was so good. Alrighty, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed this video and think, oh my goodness, my garage looks pretty good compared to hers. So, have a blessed day. I hope you like this video. If so, can you give me a thumbs up? If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Let me know, hey, that's kind of cool. Oh, I can't wait to come and see you at Antiques on 231 here in Lebanon. So, have a good one, guys.